finally, it is a makeup video, and these are the tools that we're going to use, both the tools and the products. We've got all the brushes set, but I'm not going to use all of them. So I've got the concealers, Garnier product, I've got the powders, the hair accessories, I've got the blender, I've got the lip glosses and the lipsticks, and then we've got the eyepieces, both three of them, the maroon, brown and black. I've got a rose in my baby hair serum, and I've got primers, I've got hair straightener, I've got a microphone. I don't know if we're going to use it. We've got rose water, we've got hair tools, we've got yeah. So basically we're going to do this. Rose water, I'm going to use it, and just watch this video till the end. If it is your first time to stop here, my beautiful name is Jacinta, and this is my ring light. Yeah, the best ring light I've ever got. You don't know how much I moved. So this is my personal face. I'm starting off with Mate. This a Garnier product, just to set everything in between. Make sure as you do makeup, your skin is well set. That means it is hydrated. So I'm doing this makeup each night because I want to go live on YouTube, and I don't know how long it's going to take me because it's already 11 p.m. So basically 12. And this is a Primer Kiss Beauty. This was I was gifted from Germany, and it is a nice one. So I don't know, it is almost ending. I don't know where I'll get another primer. So basically I don't use the other primers, but it has been handy on my skin. I thank God for that. And I'll be telling each product where I got it, if it was a gift or anything. And this is rose water, so I usually like to tone my face before I start doing anything. So basically this is concealer, the darker one. I used both the dark and the brighter just because I've got big pores. And then to seal in my concealer, I'm going to seal in with the powder Sexy. Make sure you're going to blend, you're going to blend, you're going to blend, and you're going to blend. So it needs time. Basically today I'm doing full makeup, like face beat layer, like a full one, you know, that conk one. Although my eyes are very sensitive, so some steps I'm going to skip. And guys, so baby girl is very tired apparently. I have a lot of things to do because yesterday by 8 a.m. I need to be somewhere, and I don't know how it's going to do it, but we're going to do it anyway. So with my concealer, I'll try to conceal the under eye. Basically I look so dizzy, but I have to, and also like to conceal my eyelids before I apply my eyeshadow. And I don't know why the camera was not focusing at this angle. So this is where my blender comes in. Make sure you dip it in water so that it can soak in the product. And then we're going in with this Sleek foundation. Basically I don't do foundation, but introducing my skin to Sleek powder and foundation. This is what I'm going to use in 2026. So cross fingers for me that I don't break out, because if I start breaking out, I'm going to do away with it. So make sure you blend, you blend, you blend, you blend, you blend until it comes to your skin tone. So basically for me to do makeup, I just want to have time. Any moment I do have time, I don't like doing makeup because I'll mess up with everything. Again, I'm adding a secret cover type of concealer because I've got huge pores here. So we're still working under that, guys. So slowly by slowly, we can come to blend. Like we need to blend all these things together. Make sure your blender is hydrated so that you can do this job very well. So next we're going to the eyebrows. So I like to draw my eyebrows with brown eye pencil, but if it is done, like it is almost going to end and we're going for a holiday, I'll be doing maroon, and I add on it black, so it becomes again brown. And then make sure you fill in very well. And secret that I do here, I can apply soap on my shoes, in this case geisha. So when it comes to highlighting my eyebrows, I go in with dark secret cover, and yeah, I do the eyebrows, and then I have to clean them later. As you can see on the other end, I'm cleaning my eyebrows. So today I'm going in with these brushes just to make sure. You can do it in whichever way you want. Like the first nini, I've used the tool of the applicator of the concealer, and the other one I'm using the brush. So it depends with you and how you want it done, guys. So today I just wanted to edit this video like that so that I can finish. I don't have time. And yeah, so this is how my eyebrows are, and here we are. So guys, we're back again, and the next step, we're still cleaning, and I just wanted to fill in those places that pimples were popping with the concealer, and then highlight my cheekbones. Yeah, so here again, you need to blend with your blender very well. You need to blend. Then next, I went on to apply the eyeshadow, and this is how Babe Girl is doing it. I've forgotten the name of my eyeshadow palette. Was it JJ? Also, this one was I gifted? I was gifted by a client when I was doing business. Like he gave me as extra. Yeah. So after that, I usually go and do my highlighting my eye. What is the name of this place? So I just put a little tail there just to add an angle for my eyes, and then I'll basically remove it later, just because I want to fit in my eyeshadow to make sure they are in the best place ever. So again, we go back to blending. Blend. Make sure you're using your brushes very well. So it's a lot of practice. So be gentle, learn how to blend, and then my makeup is done actually, guys. So here we're going to set in the makeup with rose water. It is a toner. It is a good toner. It makes your makeup stay intact the whole day. It makes your makeup stay like moisturized. And then, so these earrings have been doing me shingy. Apparently, I've never ear pierced my ears, so I usually do this zakubandika. So this one I got it lately. It was kind of pricey, but I liked it, so I just want to insert it. And before we start doing the hair with me, guys, so are you ready to do the hair with me? Thank you guys for watching. For the returning subscribers, thank you for the support. For the new subscribers, welcome to the family. If it is your first time here, please kindly consider like, commenting, and subscribing. Share. Please check the description box. If you are a Christian lady, join Ladies in Modesty Ministry. This is a global. Our mission is to inspire ladies for further good even callings in ministry. So guys, apparently my camera was disturbing, like my phone is telling me it is full. So I've got a lot of things in this phone I need to like when you look at most of my makeup tools are new, because as the year ends I tend to throw away the old ones or give out those that are givable, and the other ones, yeah. So with my lip gloss, I start with the lip gloss and then lipstick, and then I ended up with the hydrating lip gloss, which I was gifted from USA. So it is the best lip gloss I've ever had, and yeah, so in the holiday nenda kuringia watu, I've got the best lip gloss ever. So guys, here we want to do the hair. So I washed my hair today again, so leo nitakuwa na headache. I washed my hair today, and I've been straightening it, and story of another day. So I wanted to do a hairstyle this evening. This, imagine this, all this beauty. I'm not going anywhere, I'm just here. So yeah, apparently I didn't know that was a style I was making until I was shooting this, and I became, oh my goodness. ah So you go in with your scratch, so you push back, and then you tuck in with your beauty pins respectively. Make sure you get yourself beauty pins, queen, pins that are quality, pins that are not common, pins that makes you elegant and stand out. So I'm going to tuck in my hair at the back with the best ever clip, and then my earrings kept falling, so I had to redo it again. Apparently I've discovered that when you touch it with too much oil, it does not like turn to each other, so I like it like that. And guys, this is the style of today. How many marks can you give me for this makeup, guys? So yeah, I've just done it for you guys, and I hope we don't have any other date for you apart from having so much lives to come this December holidays. So yeah, remember, Jesus is the reason for this season. If you're not saved and you're watching this, get saved. Jesus loves you unconditionally. So guys, this is the first bit of today, the hair and everything. I like it. It is so elegant, so unique, and it defines who I am. I am a modest. Editing this video has been worse than anything, guys, so please bear with me. Things might not run as you wanted them to, but I have just tried. I have tried because it is apparently the same day. So like, comment, subscribe, share. See you in the next one. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at sheisjacinta. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye bye. Kisses.